All right, in this video, we want to show you guys our spectacle kits and how they work with our respirators here at Parcil Safety. We actually have two spectacle kits. One is called the PS-Spec kit and the other one's called the PD-Spec kit. This guy over here fits our industrial lineups, our FFR 100 full face respirator, the IRM 100 full face respirator, and then our WF 100 welding respirator and WF 101 Pro welding respirator. Basically, we get a lot of questions on how you put this on. It's very, very simple. This one right here uses kind of like a vertical column here. And basically you're gonna put this bottom part down in here where the nasal cup is. You can kind of actually see a little ridge there. And then this top part is gonna go right underneath the seal right down here. I think I'm pointing it, but let's go ahead and just try it. I'm gonna try to do it here while it's flat on the table, just to show you how easy it is. Gotta get around the headband. All right, and that's it right there. That's how you do it. You want to move it around a little bit, and then you can actually adjust the height of it based on your eyes right here. So you can pull it down and pull it up as much as you need on this little line. Now, going over to the PD-Spec kit. So this one works on our PD series, our MB series, and the ST series. So ST100X and all the tints, it'll work on there. It'll work on our PD100 and PD101, and it will work on our MB100 series as well. So I'm gonna just show both this is like a PD101 mask right here without any filters on it or a head strap. And this is the MB100. It's a little bit different, it's more of a horizontal, and all you're really doing is getting these inside the inner seals here. So you can just put it in with one side. I'm gonna try to keep it in a good spot so you guys can watch. And then we just bend it in on the other side. Like that, kind of. You just gotta rearrange it a little bit. And that's basically it. And very similar to the other one is you can kind of adjust just by moving it with your fingers here to get it to adjust to your nose shape, or your eye shape, I guess. And we're gonna put it into the NB100 series here. I said, very, very similar. You just put it in here. We're going to put it in on one side and then slide the other one down. Oh, let me get it in there. Put it down here. And just put it in like that. A little bit easier when you're actually holding it up. And that's kind of how that thing looks right there. It's not perfect in there, but so very simple. Again, you can just kind of move it around and adjust it the way you need it. All right, one last thing. Since this is part of our legacy set, the MB series, the PD and the ST100X, we already have this at our iLab. So when you buy this, you can actually give us your prescription, your pupil distance measurements, so basically the distance between your pupils, and we can fulfill that before we even ship it to you. Now, this one's a little newer because our industrial lineup, our new industrial lineup's a little bit newer. We are right now just stocking these at our local warehouse, so you can buy the frames, but you'll still need to bring it to your eye doctor to get the prescription filled. But we're hoping over time we'll be able to have enough stock and be able to send these to our lab as well and have them fulfill the prescriptions for you as well.